Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Very exciting unboxing. I just picked this up from Best Buy. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And we're going to be unboxing it. This is going to be my new camera, hopefully my main camera, because the camera I'm recording this on now, the Canon M50 Mark I, does not do 4K. I always upload my videos upscaled a little bit from Final Cut in 4K, but they aren't true 4K. And I can never find a camera that does 4K at 60 frames a second or 4K at 120 frames a second, and I don't want to do 4K at 30 just because when I'm moving stuff around on the screen it looks choppy. This one does do 4K at 120 hertz, 120 frames a second. So there's the specs right here. Here's all the stuff it includes. This creator combo includes a bunch of stuff. I'll go through it excuse me, as we open it instead of reading it to you here on the box. I'm sure you guys would rather see that than having me just, read it. So we're going to get this plastic off here and get started with the unboxing. And then this camera also has a webcam mode, so I'll be able to connect it for my live streams and be able to live stream directly, not directly from the camera as in like wirelessly from the camera, but hooked up to my computer as a webcam. So we'll be able to use that for all that kind of stuff. One cool thing is it also does include the DJI microphone, the wireless microphone that they have. So we'll have better audio. No matter where the camera is, you'll be able to hear me. Alright, so here is the first thing. We have some candy. No, I'm just kidding, don't eat that. Some silica gel there. We have the bag, which I'm assuming has most of the main goodies in it. So we're going to put that off to the side real quick. We've got all our paperwork and everything right here. We don't need that. They do have a thing for, I think, the DJI store, and I think there's something in here about the DJI Care Refresh, which is like their extended warranty program, kind of like Apple Care for Apple products. Yep, and then this right here is just the cover. Nothing else in there after that, so I don't know why they didn't just put that in the bag with it, but they didn't. So we'll start off here. Yeah, just the cover. And it looks like it's got the Black Pro Mist. I don't know what that is, but it looks like it's got some storage spots for the lens and something else over here. So it looks like it holds a couple of different of the accessories that are probably in this pouch as well. I was thinking about getting a GoPro, but then I was like, oh no, this has got the gimbal and everything, so it's probably a little bit better. Stuff like that. Plus the GoPros, I mean, we're almost the same price. This has a really nice bag. Ooh, I like the way that folds out. It's got like pockets in here and it folds out and stuff. So we also have this is the camera itself right here. The Pocket 3, I like the way that feels. Very, very nice feel in the hand. We've got this looks like the battery grip, I think. I believe it is. It's got USB-C on the front right there. Well, mounting, yeah, this is the battery handle right here. It looks like if you push the release button, it shows you how much power it's got. The battery handle also does have the tripod mount on it, so you can use that on a tripod. We've got, let's see, I think this is the mini tripod because it is round. Yes, this is the mini tripod. So that just folds out like so. You can use that as a stand. It's got the same mount on there, so you can use that with the grips. We have the mic right here. I believe this is the same microphone that comes with the set. It just doesn't have the receiver, so you have to use the actual camera as the receiver, whereas the 2-mic kit they sell standalone without a camera uses its own receiver, so you can do other stuff with that like that too. And then I think this is the microphone receiver, I believe. Right here. This one doesn't say, but I think this is just the standard mic receiver. Either that or this is the tripod mount, because I don't think, yeah, the camera itself does not have a tripod mount on it. You have to use one of the bottom pieces for that. So I think that's everything in here, minus the little wind muffs in the lanyard. And let's see, we have the wide angle lens right here. It does come with a wide angle lens. More silica gel, and the USB cable, charge cable right there. So pretty cool. Let me see. Let's see. What is that? The mic transmitter, which is the little mic right there. Battery handle, mini tripod, and handle. Yeah. So that's just a standard. Just a standard handle. The actual mic transmitter is built in, or the mic receiver is built into the camera. I do think they make a receiver for the mic that gives you a further range, but that is not included with this set. I don't know if that was for the Osmo 2, and I'm just not up to date on this. But here you go. You can see that we turned it, and it turns on. So we'll choose English. Looks like we have to do. Okay, so you have to activate it. You don't have an option on that. You can swipe to skip. It says 5 times remaining. So we'll go ahead and get my phone here and scan the QR code, because you can only skip the activation 5 times. Let's see. Scan the QR code to download the Osmo app. Okay, so we'll do that. Let's see. So we're going to download the DJI Osmo app right here. Osmo Mobile and app. Osmo Mobile 2. I think, wait, these aren't from DJI. Okay, we're going to scan the QR code just to get us straight to the app, because those didn't look like the official apps. So this is just downloading the APK file right in Chrome. Looks like that's got a few seconds left to go. So I think if we turn that, it will power off, but you can also rotate it to use it in different modes. I don't think it'll do anything right now with it. Yeah, with it off. Yeah, it's pointing at the ceiling. So we're gonna have to activate it first because it's not actually on yet. All right, so we're still downloading right there. And there we go. So we're going to open the app up here. Agree. All right, so we're gonna, yep, okay. All right, so I found the camera. Accept, connecting, agree. Allow access, log in. I don't think I have an account, or I mean I think I have an account from a drone, but we'll just use my Google account. Alright, let's see. get the code here. Let me check my email. Alright, let's see, where's the code? KFCWJC. KFCWJC. Successful. Activating. Gimbal protection. Oh, probably because it was sitting on the table. Alright, walks you through some stuff. Then we have the actual gimbal movement here. Can move it side to side. And then this asks if you want to purchase the DJI Care Refresh. You have 30 days to do that, so we're going to skip that for now. We don't need any of that. Yes, we want to exit. So we don't really need, I don't think, the app really right now, anything else, because we can do everything here on the camera. I did get an SD card. So you can do smart gimbal mode, which is face auto detect, dynamic framing, spin shot, rotate the camera, so you can choose how much that rotates the camera when you tap to rotate the gimbal, so you can see it'll rotate all the way around. And you can't hear this rotation whatsoever. It is completely silent. So you can exit that. And I believe you can zoom right here. Yeah, you can zoom with the joystick after you tap that. Alright, but that is going to be that, and I'll do some videos on this and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day. Alright, so I'm using the DJI mic here. So the first mic you heard on the unboxing was the mic from my Canon M50, the Rode mic I have here on top. And then, of course, the mic we're using now is from the DJI Osmo 3, the mic that came with it, not the onboard mic. So I'm just doing a little test here. Here's some of the accessories. I've got the mic, or the camera rather, on my tripod that I had my old camera on. So we are just going over some of the accessories here. We've got the handle, which is just a handle with the tripod mount on it. It does have an extra USB-C port on the back, so you can still plug in stuff to the camera since it's got the port here is covered with this. Same thing for the battery. I do have the battery on it right now, so the battery is plugged into it. And then we just have the case right here, which you can put the extra wide lens in as well, so you can carry that with you. And I did pick up a 256 gigabyte SD card, which I am currently recording to. So that's just a little test here of the mic and camera combo, and we'll see how this does. I'm Colin with Techout. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.